ஸோ வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, மீண்டும் ஒரு வீடியோவில் சந்திப்பதில் மகிழ்ச்சி. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு வீடியோட ஹெக்ஸாடெசிமல் நம்பர் சிஸ்டம் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஹெக்ஸாடெசிமல் நம்பர் சிஸ்டம். So how to convert hexadecimal into decimal and decimal into hexadecimal. Okay, so there should be a two conversation we have to discuss today. First one, hexadecimal to decimal. Then second one, then decimal to hexadecimal. So then hexadecimal, the base should be a 6, then decimal base should be a 10. Okay, so first we discuss first one, hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So first problem, example 1. So as it is from the previous classes, we have to discuss how to convert from binary to decimal, octet to decimal. The same procedure we have to follow in these cases, then hexadecimal to decimal. Okay, that should be a then convert hexadecimal 3C8. Yeah, it should be a base should be a 6 to decimal. But how to solve this? Then 3C8. So on the tabulation we can easily understand. Okay, we have already discussed from the previous video. Okay, so then 8 into then hexa, that should be a 16, then power 0. Then C into that should be a C will be equal to that should be a 12. So on the tabulation 12 into 16 power 1, then 3 into 16 power 2. Okay, so then first one, then 16 power 0, that should be a 0, then 8, then 16, 12 into 16 we have to get 192, then 3 into 16 power 2, then multiple with 3 we have to get 768, then we have to multiple, then we have to get 968. Then hexadecimal 3C8, that should be a base 16, which is equal to decimal 968 base 10. So in this way we have to solve this. So then another problem in the fraction, then example 2, then convert F8E6.39 to decimal. First we have to find out this one, then after that we have to find out another one. F8E6.39. okay, so you know that here so how to solve this? Then point it should be a power, then 9 into 16 power minus 2, then 3 into 16 power minus 1. So in this case is like then 6 into 16 power 0. Next E key which is equal to 14, then 4 into 16 power 1, then 8 into 16 power 2, then F that should be a 15. In the E key every 14 F previous class la the tabulation போட்டுருப்போம், பார்க்காத நண்பர்கள் channel playlist la இருக்கு. Okay, then 16 power 3. So just in the fraction நீங்க போட்டீங்கன்னா that should be here, which should be a 16, that should be a 16 into power 12 போட்டீங்கன்னா we have to get that should be a 1 by we have to multiple with 9, then we have to get that should be a 0. So I write this here. Okay, that should be a 0.0352. okay, here we have to get then 0.1875. so idu number we have to multiple and added with this one, then here 6, then here we have to get 224. just idella romba solve pannala, we know that. Then 16 power 1 16, then we have to multiple 14, we have to get. Then similar we have to procedure, that should be 2048 here. Here 15 into 16, then 61440, then we have to multiple, then we have to get 63718.227. so then F8 is 6.3916, which is equal to decimal 63718.2227. okay, in this way we have to convert from hexadecimal to decimal. so next decimal to hexadecimal. so next decimal to hexadecimal. so example 1, so then convert decimal 2479 base 10 into hexadecimal. how to convert? The same procedure we have to follow from the previous cases, like then decimal to octet, then decimal to binary. okay, so we have to put then 2479. here hexa will be a 16, then how many times? that should be a 15 into 16, we have to get, that should be 154, then remainder will be a 15. here we have to multiple, then 9 into 16, we have to get, then remainder 10, then 16. we have to write from bottom to top. then 247910, which is equal to then 9 10 15. 9 10 க்கு என்னது 10, it should be represented as a then 15 க்கு f, which is equal to 16. okay, in this way we have to solve. okay, then one more problem, the problem நீங்களே solve பண்ணுங்க. okay, that should be then convert decimal 72905 into hexadecimal. okay, போட்ட ஆன்சர் கமெண்ட்ல கொடுங்க நண்பர்களே. so thank you for watching. ஸோ நன்றி நண்பர்களே, மீண்டும் ஒரு வீடியோவில் சந்திப்போம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.